I am so excited to introduce a powerhouse formula for bone, heart, and immune support, ADK Essentials by CAITERA. Just one capsule per day helps support bone structure, density, and integrity. That means your body is primed for proper calcium utilization, cardiovascular function, and immune health. Let's break it down. Vitamin A is a must for bone growth and maintenance. It is critical for retaining bone density, a vital part of healthy aging. Vitamin D3 supports healthy immune function, calcium absorption in the stomach, and bone mineralization. In short, it's needed for bone rebuilding, and without it, bones may become brittle. Finally, there's a lot of buzz about MK7, also known as vitamin K2, and rightly so. It helps guide calcium towards areas of the body where it's required, such as bones and teeth, and away from areas where it's not beneficial. Studies continue to uncover other amazing benefits. So now you can see why I recommend that you make ADK a part of every day.